Dr. Rishi Gupta, consultant pediatrician practicing in Noida presently in India. I shall like to educate the young parents on certain common pediatric problems. Today we shall be talking about immunization. When the baby is born, the parents are keen to know what all immunization to be given to the child. We shall be stressing on the schedule which are being practiced in India. The immunization starts at birth by BCG, oral polio vaccine and hepatitis B. Then routinely it is done at 6 weeks, 10 weeks, 14 weeks, 9 months and subsequently in the second year at 15 and 18 months. Today we shall be only talking about the immunization being practiced in infancy and childhood. It is desirable to use combination vaccine to avoid multiple pricks to the child. So at 6 weeks it is desirable to give DPT with hepatitis B and Hib, and 10 weeks DPT with Hib, and 14 weeks again DPT with hepatitis B and Hib. I understand you will be aware of what is Hib and what is DPT. DPT prevents a child against diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus, and Hib is against Haemophilus influenzae, which is causing meningitis, infections in the ear, throat and pneumonias. At 9 months, we recommend to give measles vaccine, and at 15 months MMR, which is measles, mumps and rubella. In 18 months again DPT with Hib. I like to stress here certain newer vaccines which are also recommended. One is pneumococcal vaccine, called commonly by name Prevnar, again given at 6 weeks, 10 weeks, 14 weeks and at 18 months. This vaccine unfortunately is not available in any combination and it has to be separate prick given to the child. Another good vaccine is against rotavirus diarrhea. This is vaccine which is given orally to a child at 6 weeks and second dose to be given after 4 to 8 weeks. It is desirable to finish 2 doses of this vaccine with a gap of 4 to 8 weeks before 6 months of age. Then there are vaccines against chickenpox and hepatitis A recommended to be given to child after 1 year. We recommend chickenpox vaccine as a single dose vaccine which can be given at 13 months and hepatitis A to be given in 2 doses at 6 months difference. First dose can be given at 13 months or 14 months and second dose after 6 months. This completes the immunization schedule for child up to 2 years. After 2 years is recommended to give typhoid vaccine, which is repeated every 3 years. Now there are certain cases of typhoid which occur even earlier than 2 years. A newer vaccine has come which can be used in children below 2 years also. We will not talk in detail. That can be discussed with your pediatricians before using that. Thank you.